Hi, welcome again to Study Clinic. Today we're going to learn to integrate the function of sine squared theta with respect to theta. So for us to do that, we are going to use an identity. Let's put down an identity which is cos 2a is identical to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Now for us to solve that, we're going to make sine squared a the subject of the formula. So in this case, we're going to add both sides, 2 sine squared a both sides. So we're going to say 2 sine squared a plus cos 2a is identical to 1. And after this, we're going to subtract cos 2a both sides, which is going to give us 2 sine squared a is identical to 1 minus cos 2a. Now we need to get rid of the 2, so we're going to divide by 2 both sides. So we're going to halve it both sides, which gives us sine squared a is identical to half, open bracket, 1 minus cos 2a. Now we can use this function to solve any, to integrate any function in sine squared. So which means in this case, our a could be substituted by theta, which means we can use that theta in place of the a, and then we can use the function of sine squared a and use half minus 1 minus cos 2a in its place. So we're going to do this. We're going to write half the integral of 1 minus cos 2a, cos 2 theta, sorry, with respect to theta. So we're going to use this function. You can notice that we put the half on the outside of the integral to make it look less cluttered, and also you have to keep the brackets, as you can see. So we're going to write half, and then we're going to integrate 1 with respect to theta, and this is going to give us theta minus, and then we integrate our cos 2 theta with respect to theta, and this is going to be minus half sine 2 theta, and then don't forget to put the constant c. Alright, so this is your final answer, but then it doesn't look so neat, especially with the half inside the bracket. So we need to get that half outside of the bracket to make it look less cluttered. Alright, so let's tidy this one up. So we're going to put the half outside of the brackets, and for us to do that, we're going to say 1/4, the open bracket. Now because we've put the half out, the theta becomes 2 theta, and then we're going to say minus sine 2 theta plus our constant c. Now this becomes our final answer, and as you can see, it actually looks much neater and is more tidied up. So that concludes our lesson for now, and in our next lesson we're going to look at more complex functions of integration. Thank you.